Welcome to Dakota Micro Video Demos. This video will show unboxing of a standard wireless receiver and transmitter. The only difference on the outward appearance of the wireless transmitter and receiver is that the transmitter has a female connector and the receiver has a male connector. Each component is also clearly labeled on the top of the unit. Wireless transmitters and receivers come in separate boxes. That way you can mix and match between our standard transmitters or receivers and our premiums. The receiver box includes one standard wireless receiver, one cigarette lighter power adapter, 3 decibel antenna, RCA adapter, AC wall plug adapter, and your user's manual. The transmitter box includes one standard wireless transmitter, 3 decibel antenna, RCA cable, AC wall plug adapter, and your user's manual. Thank you for watching this Dakota Micro video demo. For additional assistance, visit dakotamicro.com.